Let's see how to set up Slack notifications for Google Form. It is a two-step process involving Slack setup and Google Form setup. So let's begin. First of all, we will visit api.slack.com/messaging/webhooks. Over here, we will click on Create Your Slack app. Slack app will be used to send the messages. These messages can be sent to your channel or to yourself as a message. I'm going to click on From Scratch and I'm going to name it Slack Notify Bot. My purpose for this Slack notifications for Google Form is that whenever someone purchases a license of Slack Notify app, I want to get notified about it. So I'm going to type that out, select a workspace. So I'm going to add that to my own workspace and I'm going to click on Create App. Once I will do that, these are the different options. You don't have to understand any of it. All you need to do is just click on Incoming Webhooks. Once you will do that, we need to activate incoming webhooks. Then we will go in here and click on Add New Webhook to Workspace. Once you will do that, now you can either select a channel or you can select yourself to send a message. So that is what I'm going to select. I want to receive the message directly to be sent to myself. I'm going to click on Allow. Once you will do that, you can see we have this webhook URL, right? And you can see the channel, which is your name because you have selected it to be sent to yourself. Now just copy that. We have done the Slack setup. Now is the time to done the Google Form setup. So for Google Form, first step will be to install Google Slack notifications for Google Form. Just click on the install button and install the application. Once you have done that, click on the add-ons, click on Slack notifications for Google Form, then click on Manage Slack notifications. Once you will do that, you will see this screen. So initially you will have 30 credits. If you want to purchase more, you can always upgrade. I'm going to click on Add to add a rule that whenever a new form is submitted, I want to get notified. First of all, I will submit that webhook URL which we just created. Then I will write the message. So I want to get the user email. So I'll say email and then I'll just select email and you can see it is already submitted. So what will happen is in the Slack message, you will receive email and then the email. I'll show you in just a few minutes. Then I want the name of the user. So I'll just say name and then I'll select name. Then I want the phone number of the user, let's say. So I'm going to say phone number and I'm going to just say phone number. Okay, once you will do that, just click on this add trigger option. Just wait for a few seconds. It will be added over here. Okay, so once it is added, it's time to test it out. So I have already opened this form up in a new tab just so that I don't have to type it out in front of you. So I'm just going to click on submit. But before I do that, let me open up my messages. So I'm going to click open Slack. So this is my space where I will receive the message. And this is the form. I'm going to click on submit. And the form is submitted. And if we wait for a second, as you can see, we have received the message. If you face any problem setting this up, you can always reach out at sanskar@slacknotify.app. Thank you.